So let's begin the service with the opening treatment and reading. Today I'm reading from my book, Whispers of Heaven. And in it I wrote, "Love makes my way clear. It guides me in an ever-widening experience of living. My every thought and act are an expression of this goodness." So let's put these words to work in our lives. We do that through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, well, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, one power, and that power is perfect love. It's divine intelligence. And that power is showing up in my life, urging me on to know something better for myself, that I have come to life to live joyfully. I'm here to experience love, health, and prosperity. I am here to lift my eyes up to a better knowing. So here today, in this moment, I release and let go of every idea of lack and limitation. I remind myself of who I am and whose I am. I'm the child of the Most High, here to experience great good. God won't have it any other way, and neither will I. So I release this prayer into the mind of God, knowing it is returning to me multiplied abundantly. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer to do its good and perfect work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is.